Now we are going to see how to apply a material to any 3D object. So let's select any analysis system, suppose static structural, double click on it. For material, double click on engineering data. This window will appear. If we see, static structural is a by default material and its properties are shown at downside. If you wish to create your own new material, you can click here, give its name, press enter, then you can create your own material, or else you can go to the engineering data source. Here various data sources are available, just like a general material, general non-linear materials, etc. In a favorite, structural steel is added and air is there. If we press on general material data source, then the materials available in general material will be shown. So these are the materials in general material data source. Now if you wish to create a material in particular data source, then you have to press on this checkbox so that you can edit that library. Now you can add your own material. Just give it a name. Sample, press enter. Then here you can give its properties like density. Just double click on it. You have to put the values, whatever. Then other properties, double click on it. You can give the values. Whatever value you want. So this is how you can create your own material. You can select any kind of property here from toolbox. You can add it in your material properties, and if you want to add your own material in the current project, then you have to press on the plus icon so that this material will be added to the current library or current project. Okay, we are in editing mode, so we have to uncheck this box. Save your material. Your material will be added in general material data source. Now the sample material, if you want to add it in your current project, then press this plus icon. It will be added. Also you can add multiple materials. Like stainless steel, select it. Copper alloy, aluminum alloy. So we have added multiple materials. Now let's get back to our project. Press here, return to project. We can check the materials which we have added to project. In library, in general materials, we have added this much materials. Close engineering data source. Here we can see the materials which we are going to use now. Here is our material. Now you can delete any material from here. If we delete structural steel, it will be removed from current project only. The structural steel material will be available in your data source, so don't worry about it. You can easily delete any material from here, but these materials will be available in your data source. Let's get back to the project. In case of geometry, we can create geometry or else we can import the geometry. Let's import any geometry. So geometry is imported. Edit geometry. Select units, press OK. Now if you imported any geometry, that is the IGS file or STP file, you have to press on generate. So this is how it will look. Total 16 parts are there. This is assembly. Let's get back to our project. Close this design modeler. Update the project. Whenever you import any geometry or any 3D modeling object in your project, you have to go to the geometry cell, open it and press generate. Then only it will be added to your project. Then let's go to the model cell, double click on it. This window will appear. Now if you want to add material, then go to geometry, select any particular solid, and in detail window under material, in front of assignment, select any material. If we select sample, then sample material will be added to that part. So tick mark will be there so that it is okay. Similarly, we have to select multiple solid objects and give it a material. So this is how we can apply materials to the assembly. Just under model, open the geometry, select particular solids and apply the material under detail window, material option.